Anytime you mess with the suspension in your car, specifically front end stuff, you gotta get an alignment. Well, I hate going to the alignment shop. I hate going to any shop, in all honesty, because I have trust issues and I don't like anyone working on my stuff. So I have found a solution for all that, and it resides in these boxes right here. This is a QuickTrick Alignment Tool Kit. Tool is absolutely phenomenal. So anyway, if you're interested in one of these guys, I'll give you a link down below, QuickTrickAlignment.com. These guys, they're great to deal with, family run business. I can't say enough good things about how simple they've made this. So